Hello, my friends. If you're struggling with high blood pressure and tired of relying on pills that only mask the problem, this message is for you. High blood pressure often starts with poor blood flow to the brain, and a major reason for that is tension and misalignment in the neck. Unfortunately, traditional medicine overlooks this completely. That's why I recommend a simple, drug-free approach. Specific neck exercises proven to improve circulation and reduce pressure naturally. Start your morning with 2 easy movements and finish your day with 2 more before bed. In the evening, clench your fists, raise your shoulders slightly, and gently press your chin toward each shoulder. Do this 10 to 20 times. Then, massage your ears and the back of your neck, finishing with calming strokes down the face. This helps activate blood flow to the brain, supports better sleep, reduces nighttime pressure spikes, and promotes relaxation of the nervous system. All crucial steps to finally healing from hypertension and protecting brain and heart health over time. Thank you for watching. Take care of your health and don't forget to subscribe for more natural healing tips.